So if we have a g of x that is equal to 3x squared minus 3x plus 11, we want to, for this problem, find what g of 1 minus t is. I'll just go ahead and warn you, it's easier and a lot less grief if you curve your t, because sometimes the way people write their t's and their ones and stuff, it just can visually get confusing. So just be aware right there. So g of x, instead of writing what g of x is, I'm going to just write g of something. Where that x was at, I'm just going to put parentheses there. I'm going to leave it off, okay? So g of something is 3 times minus 3 times something plus 11. Well, that something, in this case, that something is going to be 1 minus t, right? So I'm going to put that 1 minus t in wherever I was saying something. Well, that's where x was at, right? So I'm going to, everywhere there's those open parentheses where x was at, I'm just going to put 1 minus t there. And for a lot of problems like this, you would be possibly done. But the thing is, because I've already plugged in the 1 minus t where x was at, but the thing is with this example is that it can simplify. Your 1 minus t that you have squared right here, we can FOIL that out, and then we can distribute the 3 to it once we FOIL it. I can't distribute the 3 just yet, because I can't distribute the 3 to something that is not simplified, but I can simplify that 1 minus t. In fact, if I go right here and let me do it in a different color, if I say what 1 minus t squared is, it's not simply 1 squared minus t squared. That's not the way that it works. When you square something, you multiply it by itself. So we have to use the FOIL method right here, and you get 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times negative t is negative t, and now negative t times 1 is negative t, and negative t times negative t is positive t squared. So that is 1 minus 2t plus t squared. Do you see what I was talking about making sure you're curving your t's? It can just visually get confusing if you don't. Okay, so let's go back and where there was that 1 minus t squared, I now know that 1 minus t squared is equal to 1 minus 2t plus t squared. I'll go ahead and write down the rest of the problem. And I can keep going. I can now distribute the 3 in the front, because what 3 is in front of is now simplified. So 3 times 1 is 3, negative 6t, 3t squared. I'm going to distribute the negative 3 this time. Be careful right here when there's negative 3 times negative t is positive 3t. I'm just going to, from here, combine my like. There's only one item that had a t squared with it. You notice we have a negative 6t and a positive 3t. So that'll just give us negative 3t. And then we're left with 3. Oops, sorry, I went to eraser. We're left with a 3 and a negative 3 and an 11. So the 3 and the negative 3 cancel to just leave me with positive 11.